Using reverse psychology effectively can be a subtle art, whether in personal relationships, negotiations, or any scenario where you want to influence others' behavior or decisions. Here's a comprehensive guide on strategies to employ. Understanding reverse psychology. Reverse psychology involves suggesting the opposite of what you want someone to do, with the intention that they will do exactly what you originally desired. It often works by triggering reactance, a psychological phenomenon where individuals rebel against perceived attempts to restrict their freedom. Know your audience. Understand the individual or group you're dealing with, including their personalities, motivations, and values. Tailor your reverse psychology approach to resonate with their mindset and preferences. Subtlety is key. Reverse psychology works best when it's subtle and indirect. Avoid being too obvious or overt, as it may trigger resistance or skepticism. Appeal to autonomy. Frame your suggestion in a way that makes the person feel like they have control over their decision. Use phrases like, "You're free to choose," or "It's entirely up to you," which empower them to make their own choice while subtly guiding them towards your desired outcome. Utilize reverse statements. State what you don't want them to do, but in a way that implies you actually want them to do it. For example, if you want someone to attend an event, you might say, "I understand if you're too busy to come," implying that you expect them to prioritize attending. Highlight benefits of the opposite action. Emphasize the benefits of the action you're indirectly suggesting they take, without directly advocating for it. This can make the desired action seem more appealing without explicitly promoting it. Play devil's advocate. Present arguments or reasons against your desired outcome, but in a way that encourages the other person to counter them. This can lead them to defend your original position or even adopt it as their own. Use reverse psychology sparingly. Overuse of reverse psychology can lead to it becoming predictable or losing its effectiveness. Reserve it for situations where it's strategically advantageous and where other persuasion tactics may not be as effective. Monitor reactions and adjust. Pay attention to how the other person responds to your subtle cues and adjust your approach accordingly. If you sense resistance or skepticism, pivot to a different tactic or reassess your communication strategy. Maintain authenticity. While employing reverse psychology, ensure your communication remains genuine and aligned with your overall intentions. Authenticity fosters trust and credibility, enhancing the effectiveness of your persuasion efforts. Remember, mastering reverse psychology requires practice, observation, and adaptability. Use it ethically and responsibly, always considering the potential impact on relationships and outcomes.